right, so now that we know our different room vocabulary and we know how to use the verb estar, we can start talking about where different rooms are in our houses. And to do that, we're going to use some prepositions. So the first preposition we're going to use is entre. Entre means between. So what if I asked you, ¿Dónde está el comedor? Where is the dining room? You would want to tell me the dining room is between the living room and the kitchen. So to do that, we're going to construct our sentence the exact same way as we would in English. So we'll start with the dining room. El comedor is between, está entre, the living room, la sala, y the kitchen, la cocina. So all together it would be el comedor está entre la sala y la cocina. Right? The dining room is between the living room and the kitchen. So our next word is al lado de, which means next to. And this one can get a little tricky because when we have de next to our masculine singular article el, they actually combine into one little word del. So for example, if we had the kitchen is next to the dining room, we would say la cocina está al lado del comedor, right? Instead of de el comedor, we combine those two into del comedor. But if we flip them and say the dining room is next to the kitchen, that's not true because we're using the feminine article la. So we would just say el comedor está al lado de la cocina. All right, let's do some practice. How would you say the bathroom is next to the bedroom? What about the bathroom is next to the living room? All right, so in our first one, because el cuarto is masculine, we have to make our del. So we would say el baño está al lado del cuarto. And because living room is feminine, we don't combine into del, so we just say el baño está al lado de la sala. All right, our next two prepositions are a la derecha, which means to the right, and a la izquierda, which means to the left. So if we wanted to say the study is to the right, we would say el estudio está a la derecha. If we want to say the bathroom is to the left, we would say el baño está a la izquierda. So let's practice those ones. How would you say the laundry room is to the right? And what about the kitchen is to the left? All right, so we know laundry room is cuarto de limpieza. So we would say el cuarto de limpieza está a la derecha. The laundry room is to the right. And if we wanted to say the kitchen is to the left, we would say la cocina está a la izquierda. And our very last preposition is en, which means in or on. And we can use this to describe where different objects are around our house. For example, if we wanted to say the table is in the dining room, we could say la mesa está en el comedor. The table is in the dining room. Or we could describe our rooms in the house. We could say los cuartos están en la casa. The rooms are in the house. Or we could use it to talk about if something is on the wall. We could say la pintura está en la pared. The painting is on the wall, right? We can use it to mean in or on.